Good evening, everybody. I am Anamika, your educator. On the behalf of Multi Edu Hub, on the behalf of Multi Edu Hub, uh, mm, last class I taught you the formula of the volume and surface area. So now we practice the MCQ of this chapter, volume and the surface area. Because in the questions pattern, in the board questions pattern, some questions must come in the MCQ form. So MCQ, for that reason you learn the formula very properly. And one more things, do the maths first. So practice with me the MCQ of this chapter, volume and the surface area. Let's start. The maximum length of a pencil that can be kept in a rectangular box of dimensions dimensions 12 centimeter, 9 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Now I draw a rectangular box. First I draw. In that box, the maximum length of a pencil. If you the pencil put in this way, it is the highest. If you do it in this way, it is not the highest. If you do it in this way, it is not the highest. Means diagonally, if you put a pencil, it is the maximum height. Then question is, what is the formula of the diagonals? How can you find out the diagonals? So I write. Diagonal equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, now you put the value of x. I give the options. If you want, I give the options. It is 13, 17, 18 and 19 centimeter. It is the options. You find out and write which is the right answer. Put the value of the A. A is 12 square plus 9 square plus 8 square. Now you calculate 144. So one thing, it is an MCQ questions. So I give a trick for you. Here you not write the answer. How can you write the answer? Because it's MCQ, you have no more time. So you write 144, 81 and 64. You do it in this way. Now it is 9, 8, 289. Now you write not here. You write 289 and you know what's the root of 289? It is 17. 17 centimeter. Complete the maths. Complete the maths. Listen one thing. When you put the any pencils by anything maximum height, it means diagonal position, one corner to another corner. So you put the formula diagonal root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, and it is a rectangular space, means 3D, means so for that reason I apply this formula. Okay, in the cube it is not, it is different formula. Now go to the next maths. You complete it. If you complete, please show a thumb sign in the chat box. Now we will go to the next maths. I have no more time, so I do it very first because now the exam will start very first. Okay. Now we will go to the next maths. The total surface area of a cube is 150 centimeter square. Its volume is option 216, 125, 64, 1000 centimeter cube. First, here look, here there are two formula we should apply. Number one, surface area, one surface area, and cube. So what's the formula of the surface area? Number one, surface area. Surface area 6a square. 6a square is the formula because it is a cube. And what is the value of the surface area? Here the value of the surface area is 150. So I can write 6a square equal to 150. In my previous class I told you when you shifted any number sign change. So I write a square, then it is multiplied, here it comes with the division. (25). So A is equal to root over 25. A is equal to 5. First do. Then come the volume. Then come the volume formula. Volume formula is a cube. Now you put the value and choose what is your answer. Okay, a cube. What's our A? Our A is 5. Means 5 centimeter. So I write 5 centimeter whole cube means 125 centimeter cube. Is there any option? Yes, the second one is our answer. Second one is our answer. One more time I repeat the mass. Here you know the surface area. What is the formula of surface area? Surface area's formula is 6a square. Here we applied two formulas, so I used two colors. 6a square is 150 because according to the questions you find out the a values, and how can you, a square means 25, so a is root over 25, it is 5. And then the volume. What is the formula of the volume? Cube formula of volume is a cube. You put the value of a. A is 5. So 5 centimeter whole cube. It is means 5 into 5 into 5 means 125. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter means centimeter cube. Clear? It is our second options.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus.
How many cubes of 10 centimeter edge can be put in a cubical box of 1 meter edge. Option. Ten, 100, 1000 and 10,000. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? एक बड़ा सा क्यूबिकल बॉक्स है. बड़ा सा क्यूबिकल बॉक्स में छोटा छोटा क्यूब रखेंगे. एक एक क्यूब का एज मीन्स वन ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब इज एज इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग क्या है? पूरा क्यूबिकल बॉक्स में हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स, कितना क्यूब आप रख सकेंगे. ठीक है. कुछ बच्चों का इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए मैं कन्वर्ट कर देती हूँ हिंदी में, क्योंकि आपको भी एग्जाम देना है. ओके. There is a big box, it is a cubical box, and there we put some cube, and here no problem, both formula apply same things. Okay. And what is the formula of the cube volume? So when it is put in the places, it means as a volume. Okay. First I write the formula volume. Volume means a cube. Okay. Here listen one thing. One एक unit है centimeter and another unit is meter. So you convert it into one. मीटर में आपको convert करना पड़ेगा. तो it is a small cube volume. मैं ड्रॉ करती हूँ. एक बड़ा क्यूब है, इसमें ऐसा छोटा छोटा क्यूब रखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ छोटा छोटा क्यूब we put. How many cubes? So what is the formula of the small cube volumes? 10 into 10 into 10. It is an MCQ, so please don't calculate it. You just do in this way. Centimeter cube. And what is the B cubical box volume? B cubical box volume, it is converted into centimeter because one is big unit and one is small unit. In that case it is easy for us to convert in the small unit. So centimeter cube. Clear? Then question, number of the cube you put in a big box. Number of cube. So how can I write? Big volume by small volume. Big volume by small volume. What is our big volume? Big volume is 100, 100, 100. 10, 10, 10. Centimeter cube, centimeter cube. Cancel both the centimeter cube. Cancel 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. One more 0 there. How many? 1, 0, 0, 0. It is our answer. Third option is the okay. Third option is okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can I go to the next mass? To cube have their volumes in the ratio 1:27. The ratio of their surface area 1:3, 1:9, 1:27, none of these. None of these. Here we also apply two formula. One is volume formula. It is given, and another one is surface formula. Surface area formula. So first we start the volume formula. But one thing here. Here the volume is in the ratio format. Okay, A by B. A by B format. So I can write A by B. What is the ratio is here? 1/27. Okay. One thing here, this is the volume. So I can write A cube and B cube. Okay, A cube by B cube volume 1/27. Now I can write in this way. Is it okay? Let's first check this part. A cube, B cube, 1/27, it is given. So right, A means 1 and B 27, and make it in this way 3 whole cube. So A by B 1/3. Okay, first do it in this way. Then surface area formula. Surface area means square. So I can write A square and B square. Okay. What is the value of A? Is 1. What is the value of B? B means 3. 3 square means 1/9. 1/9. Means if the volumes, not the volumes ratio is 1:27. Then the question is क्या है? Question क्या है? Surface area का ratio कितना होगा? So I find out A by B. You check it first. I make it little bit. Put the formula and then write it. I think it is easy for you. I write A square and B square. Now I write A square means surface area का formula 6A square by 6B square. Now I think it is more easy. 6, 1, 9. A square, B square value, put the value. I think it is easy for you. Then 6 cancel, 1/9. Okay, it is the second option. Is it clear? Surface area always square. So you can write here in this way. Though it is easy for you. A rectangular water reservoirs contain photo 000 liters of water. If the length of reservoir is 6 meter and its breadth is 3.5 meter, depth of the reservoir. What is the option? 2, 5, 6, 8 meter. Reservoir contains some water. Here you know the length and breadth, but you do not know the height. When there is a water, it's obviously the formula of the Q is volume. Makes one more thing. Look, there is a meter, but the water is a liter. So in that case, you should convert the meter into the liter, but not now. First, to start the volume. Let the height. We do not know the height. हम लोग को पता नहीं height क्या है. So first we check there is a meter. Depends on another one is breadth is also meter. So I write x meter. Now the volume. What is the formula? A into B into length into breadth into height. L into B into H. L 6 B 35 by 10 8 X meter cube. But another one is liter. So I converted meter cube into the liter. So what's the? It is multiplied 1000. It is MCQ, so I am not converted everything in step by step. So now I converted it to liter. 6 into 35 by 10 into X into 1000. Now it is also liter, and this one is equal to this liter. Now you find out the value of X. Complete it. ठीक है. कोई मुझे पूछ रहा है आज क्या चल रहा है क्लास. आज बेटा एमसीक्यू हो रहा है. वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस एरिया का एमसीक्यू करा रहा हूं. आप लोग ज्वाइन करो, लर्न करो. इट इज इजी फॉर यू. मैं आज मैथ्स का मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगी क्योंकि कोई कोई बच्चा मैसेज डाला उसको इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, तो I convert everything into Hindi also. Up to this one clear? First I put the formula volume L into B into H. Put the पहले मैं वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला लिखा, इसके बाद एल बी का वैल्यू लिखा, एल एंड बी का वैल्यू लिखा, एच का वैल्यू पता नहीं, एक्स लिखा, then it is meter cube. But another one is a liter. So I converted meter into liter. How can you convert it? By multiply 1000. Okay, clear? A rectangular water reservoir contain means एक rectangular water reservoir है, उसपे 42000 लीटर है. आपका लेंथ आपको पता है, ब्रेथ आपको पता है, हाइट पता नहीं, हाइट आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. एक क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है. नाउ आई सॉल्व इट. अभी मैं सॉल्व करूंगी. 6 into 35, 10 into x into 1000 equal to 42000. अभी सॉल्व, पहले मैंने क्या बोला, when you solve the x by any values, x को find out करना है. So how can you write? You put the x into one side. I put it x and everything is shifted. First, how can I write what you have? जो आपका है वो पहले लिखो, पहले लिखना पड़ेगा. ये हमारा है. फिर देखो 6 मल्टीप्लाई है, 6 डिवीजन में आएगा, 35 मल्टीप्लाई डिवीजन में, 10 डिवीजन मल्टीप्लाई में, and 1000 this one डिवीजन में. क्लियर? मीन्स क्या किया, x को एक साइड में रखा, ऑल द नंबर शिफ्टेड, दूसरा नंबर को शिफ्ट कर दिया. नाउ आई कैंसिल इट. 7 का टेबल में मैं कर रहा हूं. Our answer is 2 meter. Means first option is our answer. If there is any doubt, please write in the chat box. In that cases मैं पहले और एक बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट करूंगी. आपका कोई डाउट है तो लिखिए. हो गया? Then I go to the next maths. The dimension of a room are 10 meter, 8 meter, 3.3 meter. How many men can be accumulate in the room if each main required space. Option 99, 88, 77, 75. एक घर है, घर का कुछ साइज है. क्या साइज है? व्हाट्स द साइज ऑफ द रूम? 11 length, 8 breadth and 3.3 is the height. घर में बहुत सारा लोग हैं, तो एक एक लोग के लिए कितना जगह चाहिए आपको? 3 मीटर. ठीक है, तो पूरा घर में कितना लोग रह सकेंगे? इट इज द क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी मैन कैन stay in that room? This room size is this one. Means आप देखिए, मैंने my last class में क्या बोला? If the meter is come 3 times means meter cube. It should be the apply the formula of volume. So it is the formula of the volume, and also here is the meter cube. So it is the formula of the volume. So how can you find out the number of the main? Number of main. Room volume by main volume. We don't calculate the volume. We just put the values and calculate it. 10 into 8 into 33.3. So I remove the decimal. मैं remove करूँगी, decimal को हटा दूँगी, लिखेंगे 33/10. Very good. And 1. आपका एक एक परसेंट का कितना वॉल्यूम है? एक एक मेन के लिए कितना प्लेस लगेगा? 3 मीटर क्यूब. So I write 3. Now make it simple form. You do it first. Just I cancel this 11 into 8 88. एक बात ध्यान दीजिए, जब when you do the MCQ, जब आप MCQ करेंगे, कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिविजन एट अ टाइम नहीं करना है. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू डालिए, ऑन द स्पॉट ही आप छोटा करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. Then because it is an MCQ choice, so you don't waste more time. Our answer is 8, means second option. Second option is our answer. the volume of a cube is 343 centimeter cube. Its total surface area is 196 49 294 147 centimeter square. क्या है? अब वॉल्यूम, एक क्यूब का वॉल्यूम आपको दे दिया 343. उधर से आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट टू फाइंड आउट द वन साइड आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you find out put the formula of surface area and find out the surface area. Now let's start. आप लोग start करो. First, let side x centimeter. So volume x cube कितना है? 343. Okay, find out the x. एक चीज ध्यान दीजिए, प्लीज फोकस ऑन वन थिंग. मैं एक चीज आपको दिखाऊंगी, वो चीज आप देखिए, फिर बाद में मैथ्स कीजिए. When you find out the root, at a time we take two numbers. For two numbers you take one numbers. But now you find out the cube. अब अभी आपको cube find out करना पड़ेगा. तो I root sign डाला, उसका सामने मैंने 3 डाला, means cube find out करना है. Cube में क्या करना पड़ता है? What you are doing in the cube? For 3 numbers you take only one number. So I do 3 4 3 in the prime factorization method. I use prime factorization method. 3 3 7 7 7 3 7s आया. 3 7s में मैं एक 7 लूंगी क्योंकि मुझे क्यूब फाइंड आउट करना है. क्यूब करके एक 7 का मैं फाइंड आउट कर लिया. सो वन साइड 7. क्लियर? Now surface area 6a square, 6 into 7 into 7. centimeter square. Here first I find out the one side value from the volume. Then I find out the surface area because it is our question. What is the surface area? Look, 294. So third one is our answer. Proper answer is third one. Third one is our proper answer. Is it clear for everybody? First you find the volume. From volume you find out the one side and put the side in the surface area. Big 6 a square. A square is the one side. A diagonal of a cube measures 4√3 centimeter. Its volume is 8, 16, 27, 64, diagonals. Diagonal means it is called diagonals. What is the formula of diagonals? Root 3a. Root 3a is the formula of diagonals. For the first math, I start from this one. So this one formula is, what is the value of the diagonal? 4√3. Okay. So root 3a equal to 4√3. Here is the left side a. Clear? Now I find the, क्या फाइंड करूंगी? a कितना है, मीन्स साइड कितना है. Here root 3, here root 3, you cancel both root 3. So a is equal to 4. Clear? Now come to the formula volume. Volume का formula क्या है? Here it's a cube. So formula a cube means 4 into 4 into 4 centimeter cube. It means 64 centimeter cube. It's our last options. Please give a star mark in that questions. It's come not only for the board, it also come in the any competitive exam. Any competitive, so it's most important question. Please, I tell it one more time. एक रूम है, रूम का diagonals आपको दे दिया. Now you find the volume of the room. So what is the formula of the diagonals? Root 3a. So I write root 3a equal to 4√3. Why it is 4√3? Because it's a value. Now first thing what I am doing, I cancel both root 3 and I find out the value of a. Then come to the formula of the volume. Now look, it is a cube. So what is the formula of cube? It is a cube, means side into side into side. So I put the value of the A. A is 4. 4 into 4 into 4, it is 64 centimeter cube. Please give us star marks in this mass. If each side of a cube is double, then its volume double, 4 times 6 times 8 times. क्वेश्चंस क्या है? एक क्यूब है, क्यूब का कुछ एक साइड तो रहेगा, दे गिवन एनी साइड एनीथिंग. अगर साइड का इफ साइड इज इंक्रीजिंग, साइज बिकम डबल, तो वॉल्यूम में क्या चेंज आएगा? व्हाट इज द चेंज हैपन इन द वॉल्यूम? ठीक है, फर्स्ट आई फाइंड आउट द छोटा क्यूब का वॉल्यूम कितना है, और फर्स्ट आई फाइंड आउट. Let side equal to x. Okay. Then volume. Volume क्या होगा? What's the formula of the volume? What's the formula of volume? X cube. Clear? Now क्या बोला? Each the side of a cube is double. अगर साइड डबल हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? Now new cube side क्या हुआ? It's become double, means 2x. Now you find out the volume at that new cube. New cube volume 2x whole cube. 8x cube. Up to this one, is it clear? Is it clear what I am doing? I do not know the value of the side, so I write x. I find out the first, I find out the small cube का volume find out क्या है? x3. Next, what they are telling? They are telling is the if the side is being the double, means जो था उसका double करना. I do not know the value, so आप वो बारे में सोचिए मत. What you are taking? You take x, so you become it 2x. Now you find out the it is 2x and 2x cube means 8x cube. Now, how many times is there? Now, आप देखिए 8x cube. 8x cube, x to what is the x cube? X cube is the small, पहले वाला cube का volume. तो x cube means old cube volume. तो क्या आया, वोल्ट क्यूब का वॉल्यूम का 8 टाइम्स बड़ा होगा बड़ा क्यूब का. So our answer is last one. One more time I tell this part. It is little bit critical part. First what I am doing, I find out the x and 2x because it is become double, so it is 2x. Find out the value, it is 2x cube. 2x cube, I break it 2x into two parts. One is numerical part and one is variable part. तो variable part क्या है, xc. What is the xc? You go to the little bit back. देखिए x की क्या है, xc the small first जो वॉल्यूम लिया था, small cube volume, small cube volume xc. So I put xc in it and old cube or small cube, anything you can write volume. So now you can understand what is the before number. Before number is 8. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ, अगर साइड 2 गुना होगा तो वॉल्यूम 8 टाइम्स बड़ा होगा. So our answer is 8 times. It is also most important mass. Please give us star marks in the mass. It is also important mass. If the capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848 centimeter meter cube and the diameter of base is 14 meter. The depth of the tank. Eight, 12, 16, 18 meter. Look, one thing, there is a diameter. Diameter means, I think it is not a cuboid, a cuboid another shape. So it is, look, its shape is this one. Here the diameter is there. So the first to find out the radius. D equal to 14, R equal to 14 by 2 means 7. Clear? Now you find out the formula of the volume because that is a liter. So it is must use the formula of the volume. Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7. R means 7 into 7. H you do not know, you write H. So I make it little bit small. 22 into 7 H. Now what they are telling, this volume is this volume and this volume are same. So I can write 22 into 7H equal to 1848. H equal to 1848 by 22 into 7. You calculate it and find out the result. Our option is second one, 12 meter. Okay? Complete? Hope it is helpful for you. And if you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, Multi-Edu Hub. And if you are really interested in maths and other subject also, 9930400683. It is my WhatsApp number for online and offline classes. You can send message, you can call me. And thanks everybody who joined in my class, and thanks all the parents who sent their kids to join in my class. Thank you.